Exciting announcement here today with the awarding of the tender for the roughly $7 million worth of work at Burrendong Dam. This is to access the remnant storage that we've been talking about for some time. Almost $7 million worth to an Australian company, Seymour White, to actually start that work in the next couple of weeks. Now, importantly, there will be a focus on local contractors with at least, up to 12 local contractors to be employed during that period. Local workers therefore will be employed. There will be a focus on buying local products as well, and importantly Australian made pumps and switchboards as well. The first part of this will be upgrading the electrical infrastructure to make sure that the power supply is there to actually run the large pumps that will be installed. There'll also be a cofferdam built around the intake valve for the dam, which will allow that water level to remain at the height that we need it to, and floating pumps on the dam to again ensure that that water is pumped into the cofferdam and supplies the outtake valve as we need it to. So a really important day today. Local people will be employed, but overall this project will guarantee that the water we need to keep the river flowing and keep supplying not just Wellington, Dubbo, but also out to Warren, to Cobar and to Nyngan for the foreseeable future. And the good news is that at this stage that won't be needed in the time frame we thought. There has been a little bit of a change in the level of the dam, therefore meaning that that won't need to be in place in February as we first thought, but will in fact be a month or two further down the track. So that's the good news out of this, and the other good news is that work will be starting very shortly on this project.